Hello everyone, I am Jish Prakash here. I completed my bachelor's degree in Basveshwara and I completed my master's degree MCom in Vivekananda College. Now I currently pursuing LLB. So I prepared contract law book, that is hybrid book, which is in English. So according to Karnataka State Law University syllabus, and I prepared a question papers, previous year question paper books, both in English and Kannada languages. And in Kannada language also I prepared a hybrid book. This is contract law Kannada hybrid book, and I received recently copyright certificate from Government of India. Now I would like to present my PPT. So this is contract law textbook hybrid book presentation. So introduction. This book is a student friendly and comprehensive resources of contract law 1. So this book is prepared for the students by the student, and it is easily to understandable concepts that are very easily understand the concept what are given by the author, that is me. That is the presentation itself shows that I added a visualization skills to help the students to understand well, and I added examples so that to interpret the facts, and I used easy language to understand the law to make the complex topic into similar. It covers a similar concepts. Case law, I added a case laws, IRAC such as like list of cases which are present. So I attached it so that student no need to search in another books. I added a past paper to easy identification and includes graphics, then designed a specific according to Kannada State Law University syllabus. So according to Hubli, that is Kannada State Law University, I prepared in a structured manner. So the purpose is to simplify the complex topic into easy, to provide complete one source solution so that student no need to search a question paper in one other place, or pair act in other place, or notes or guides, textbooks. That's the reason it is a hybrid book. To provide a complete one source solutions and to help the student who can't afford, like I have providing like books I donated my book in my college, so that it is helpful for the students who are unable to purchase, they will refer in the library to ensure quality legal educations, and this is the purpose. Next is objective, to promote accessibility in legal education, improve academic performance of the students, because many of the students I seen that after reading the subject unable to understand, they will after writing the exam, after getting the results, what they will do, if they fail, they again try and they will drop out. There is more number of dropouts in the law field. Kannada State Law University clearing an exam, it is very difficult challenge for the every student in Karnataka. For law students, if we understand the concept, exactly write the case laws, years, and our interpretation, conclusion, everything is proper, then only we can clear the exam. So improve academic legal performance of students, offer a balanced mixed theory and application and visualization, encourage student learning concepts or conceptual clarity, so that if understand the concepts, so if basic is clear, so we can handle everything. So I added visualization pictures. So here the contract law, like one person is accepting, giving the offer, another is offering. So the person who is giving the offer, there is a contract between two persons. So HR is taking an interview, I created a scenario, and other person is an employee who accepting the offer, who is the offeree. So the person who offers, offerer, and the person who accepts the offer is offeree. Next I added a free consent, one picture, visualization picture, which is created by me. So this picture shows that there is a who signing the document, who signing the papers. The person is very relaxed mode, very happy mode. It doesn't mean that anyone forcing to sign. That is called free consent, out of our own will. we will sign it. That is free consent. So here everyone is happy, there is no pressurized. And the next is, this is a minor contract. That's the reason I added a child below age of 18 years. The contract with the minor, so we can make a contract with the minor. There is also available minor agreement. But what happens is, you can make contract, but the contract should be beneficial for minor. Whatever illegal, like if loss for the minor, example, if we give debt to the minor, then it is void contract, because minor is not liable to repay the debt. He or she must become a major. That's the reason the contract is void. Void means it is invalid. And the famous case, Mohori Bibee versus Dharmodas Ghose. And minor partner can be done, because the partnership, you can share the profit with minor, but you can't ask the losses from minor. So that's the reason we can't make a contract with the minor. If you make, it is beneficial for minor, then yes, law will support you. If it is not beneficial for minor, and if it is anything loss, you lost something, then the minor contract will be invalid. If something, things taken by minor, property papers or something, the things can be returnable, but money can't be returnable. And the next is, what's a hybrid book? So my contract law teaches books like a guide and test like a textbook. Every explanation prepares a questions, and every question takes you along. It's a complete book of both understanding and scoring. So that's the reason I completed in a syllabus wise. That's the reason it's a textbook, easy way. That's the reason it's a guide. And I given a difference between textbooks and guide. Like my guide also a textbook, and my textbook also a guide. Because conceptual understanding example, these all shows the question, textbooks. And each question linked with helping the students to revise while practicing, underlining the things which made it as a guide. So I added a case laws, important case laws, landmark case laws, which is taught with expected exam focused explanation. And in guide, why it's a guide? Because questions include short notes, case based MCQ, teach law indirectly. And why it's a textbook? For chapter design, like I followed the syllabus pattern according to Kannada State University. And why it's a guide? Test questions are placed right after the concept reinforce of understanding. So like explanation written in exam answerable format, like language, because that's the reason it's a textbook as well. And it's a guide because it's a model answer, serves a mini guide. Next, like one word MCQ sections, concepts include one-liner definition with MCQ and active recalls. So that's the reason, like explanation, checking the answers, students goal focused, student to score well. Here designed so that solving the questions improve understandings. So dual room saves money and time, no need to buy a separate textbooks. If student want, they can purchase for a reference. And for it's a guide, no need to buy a separate guide. Explanation are built into answer key. That's it, totally depend on students. Next is the price, like contract law 1 English 650, contract law 1 in Kannada 850. It is a hard copy, both available in Amazon and Flipkart and Poti. And previous year question paper, both Kannada language or English language, hard copy 300. And in Amazon KDP, that is in soft copy, if you want to purchase a soft copy, you want to access 24/7, then it is 400 rupee. It is lifetime access for you. And previous year question papers you only need then 155. Previous year question paper 2018 is added, 2025 is added full completely. And from 2019 to 24 I only covered short notes and problem based questions, because I don't want to cover everything. If I cover everything, the students will only memorize the previous year question paper books and not read the concept clearly. That's the reason I need student must read the concept as well. and I have given a research work for you from 2019 to 24. That's the reason it will help you to build a research skill. It will give you idea to how to write the answers. And currently I am studying in second year LLB, so I understand when I am in the first year LLB that many students are unable to clear the paper. That's the reason I take this initiative. So conclusion, this textbook and guide is more than a book. It's a mission to make a legal education simple, fair and accessible. Your support ensures more such works reach students in needs. So this is any questions and answer. If you have, please ask me, and thank you. That's it. And my final goal is when I become a successful if this book will help you for your exam preparation, not only for exam. If this book helps you for your lifetime journey in the advocacy life, or for your UGC net, or for any competitive exams, then I am successful. If you are happy with my initiative, and I need a regular feedback from you, whenever you have any doubts, you can approach me. That's the reason I mentioned my contact number in the front page book, so that whether you purchased or not, if you are referring in library or you purchased anything, if you have any doubts in the book, please inform me, so that I will explain the concept, why that particular concept is added, what is the explanation. It is easily you can approach the author. So thank you.